Let's have complete knowledge about health. Balanced diet, healthy diet. Your health is in your hands. Hey guys, Dr. M.A. Khan here. Welcome back to our health and fitness channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to eat a balanced diet for optimal health and well-being. If you're looking to improve your overall health and well-being, these tips are for you. Eating a balanced diet is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It will help you live longer, keep skin, teeth, and eyes healthy, supports muscles and boosts immunity. It will strengthen bones, lowers risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers, supports healthy pregnancies and breastfeeding, helps the digestive system function. It helps achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Eating unhealthy diet will increase your weight, increased risk of chronic diseases, poor digestion, reduced energy, increased craving and poor sleep. So choice is yours. My tips for better health are: Tip number 1. Focus on whole foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Tip number 2. Get enough protein. Aim to include lean protein sources in your diet, such as chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Tip number 3. Include healthy fats. Healthy fats are also important for good health. These include sources such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Tip number 4. Choose whole grains. Choose whole grain sources such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. Tip number 5. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Try to limit your intake of processed foods, and instead focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Tip number 6. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is also an important part of eating a balanced diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body function at its best. Avoid sugary drinks and excess caffeine, which can dehydrate your body. Now let's see good food and bad food. Indian cuisine can be a great source of healthy and flavorful dishes. Here are some examples of healthy Indian food options. Dal. This lentil soup is a staple in Indian cuisine and is high in protein and fiber. It's typically made with lentils, onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. Chana masala. This dish is made with chickpeas, onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. Chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, making this dish a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Tandoori chicken. This popular Indian dish is made by marinating chicken in a blend of yogurt and spices, and then baking it in a clay oven. It's a great source of lean protein and is lower in fat than many other chicken dishes. Saag paneer. This dish is made with spinach and paneer cheese, which is a type of Indian cheese that's high in protein and calcium. It's typically flavored with spices like cumin and coriander. Chicken tikka masala. This dish is made with marinated chicken that's grilled or baked, and then served in a creamy tomato-based sauce. It's a great source of protein and is typically lower in fat than other creamy Indian dishes. Vegetable biryani. This dish is a flavorful blend of rice, vegetables, and spices. It's typically made with fragrant basmati rice and a variety of vegetables like carrots, peas, and potatoes. Raita. This side dish is made with yogurt, cucumbers, and spices. It's a great source of probiotics and can help to cool the heat of spicy Indian dishes. These are just a few examples of healthy Indian food options. Keep in mind that some Indian dishes can be high in fat, calories, and sodium. So it's important to choose wisely and balance your diet with a variety of nutrient-dense whole foods. Now let's see unhealthy Indian food. While Indian cuisine can be healthy and flavorful, some Indian dishes can be high in calories, fat, and sodium. Here are some examples of unhealthy Indian food options. Samosas. These are deep-fried pastries filled with potatoes, peas, and spices. They can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Butter chicken. This creamy chicken dish is made with lots of butter, cream, and spices. It can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Naan. This Indian bread is made with white flour and often brushed with butter or ghee. It can be high in calories and low in nutrients. Aloo Gobi. This dish is made with potatoes and cauliflower and is typically flavored with lots of oil and spices. It can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. You can also make it healthy. Biryani. While vegetable biryani can be a healthy option, biryani made with chicken or lamb can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Korma. This creamy curry dish is typically made with lots of cream and nuts. It can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Gulab jamun. This dessert is made with fried dough balls that are soaked in syrup. It can be high in sugar and calories. Keep in mind that moderation is key when it comes to unhealthy Indian food options. Enjoy these dishes in small portions and balance your diet with plenty of nutrient-dense whole foods. Pakoras. These deep-fried fritters are made with a batter of chickpea flour, spices, and vegetables like onions or potatoes. They can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Panipuri. These small crispy shells are filled with a mixture of spiced potatoes, chickpeas, and chutney. They are often high in calories and sodium. Arlottikki. These deep-fried patties are made with mashed potatoes and spices. They can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. Jalebi. This sweet treat is made with a batter of flour, yogurt, and sugar that's deep-fried and soaked in syrup. It can be high in sugar and calories. Velpery. This popular street food snack is made with puffed rice, vegetables, and a variety of chutneys. It can be high in sodium and calories, depending on the ingredients. Kachori. This deep-fried snack is made with a spiced mixture of lentils, flour, and oil. It can be high in calories and unhealthy fats. It's important to enjoy these snacks in moderation and balance them with nutrient-dense whole foods. You can also try healthier versions of these snacks that use alternative cooking methods, such as baking or air frying, and use healthier ingredients, such as whole grains and fresh vegetables. Thanks for watching our video on eating a balanced diet. We hope these tips have been helpful and inspired you to make positive changes in your diet. These tips will help you if you are an Indian or visiting India. In our upcoming videos we will discuss more about healthy lifestyle. Give a thumbs up to the video. Share it with your friends and family. Do share your positive and negative views about health, food, etc. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.